What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we're doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be showing you my trading style from start to finish, what I look for, what I don't look for, things of that nature. Now, this is not for complete beginners. If you don't know what key areas in the market are, trend lines, Fibonacci, price action, how to place a trade, pips, stop loss, take profit, all those kind of things. If you don't know what those are, this is not the video for you. This is the video for people that already have all of that kind of stuff under their belts, and they're just looking for a style of trading that suits who they are and their lifestyle and their personality, right? Because we're all different, and all styles of trading suit different people. And this is just the style of trading that suits me. So the first thing that I look for in the market, is trend. That's the first thing I look for in the market. The second thing I look for is key areas. Then the next thing I look for is level retests. Then the next thing I look for are structure breaks. And lastly, I look for reversal patterns. Okay, that's it. That's my whole strategy right there. Trend, key areas, level retest, structure breaks, and reversal patterns. So let's just use this little bit of information we have on the chart, and I'll walk you guys through it. So here's our first thing that we have, right? We have a pretty easy to identify trend right here, right? Trend out of the way. We've got that marked up. Super simple to see. Now let's start marking up our key areas in the market. So we have one right here. You can see how price hit this area twice and rejected. So let's just drag that into the future and see what happens. We can see that price also retests off of this right here. So let's just keep looking for some more key areas in the market. We have another one right here. We have another one right here in this area. Okay. Now let's see if we have any structure breaks. Well, we actually have one down here. So let's go ahead and mark up this trend too, right? This is pretty easy to see that the market's trending down, right? So now let's go back and mark up more key areas for this trend right here. We can see that we have one right here. Okay. And if we drag that into the past, you can see how price hits this multiple times. So it's valid. Okay. So we have our trend, our key areas marked. Let's start seeing if we have any level retests. And if you don't know what a level retest is, it's simply, let's say this is an area in the market and this is an area in the market. If price is trending down, a level retest is when price comes back to this area and holds right here and then continues going down. Okay, so this is what we're looking for. And vice versa, if price is moving up, breaks the level, comes back, holds right here, and then continues going up. That's essentially what we are looking for when I'm talking about level retests. So let me just delete some of this stuff off my chart real fast so we can move on. So let's see if we have any level retest, right? Well, price was above this, came below it right here, right? We can see that price was trending up. Then price starts trending down. Then price comes back up to this level it broke, retests it. You can see how price holds right there. And then price goes back down. So this right here would be our first trade entry, right? Price is respecting an area in the market. It breaks through it, comes back, holds below it. We can look for that entry right there. We get it the same thing right here. Price breaks below this area, retests it, holds, and then drops again. Okay, so key areas, level retest. There are the first two things I look for. Here's a couple trades, right? Now the next thing that I'm looking for is a structure break. So we can see right here that price is trending down, and then all of a sudden price starts trending up, right? So where are we looking to take our trade? At the last level that price broke this trend, right? So for me, I consider structure every single trend. So for instance, this trend down is a structure, this trend up is a structure, and then this trend down would also be a structure. So I'm looking for price to break that structure or break that trend. And where is the last level that price broke structure at? Right here, right? This was the last level made before price broke structure, right? This was the level, or this was the push that broke the trend line. So this would be the last level before that happened, right? So we have that marked up, and it's even valid from the past over here. And you can see how price does gives us a level retest of the structure break. So right here would be another entry. Okay, now is there a reversal pattern down here? Not really. You could consider this maybe an inverse head and shoulders, but I don't really like how that looks. Or actually, never mind, I just lied. So now we're going to see this reversal pattern, right? So look, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, neckline retest. Okay, so where would we be looking to take a trade if we see this reversal pattern, this inverted head and shoulders? We'd be looking to take a trade right here at the neckline, which you can see how price comes into that. So here is another entry for a trade right here. Now we also get what? Another level retest right here. Where's our next level retest? Don't really have any levels being retested over here in this area. Price comes back up. We get a retest of this area right here. And now we restart all over again. Price does what? It breaks trend or breaks structure. Where's the last level that price made before this broke structure? It's this area right here, which we already have marked up from the past. What a coincidence. So you have two trade opportunities right here in this area on this retest. So now what we can do is identify our new trend, right? We have point A and we have point B right there. And your trend lines don't have to be perfect, okay? Just get them in the general area that you're looking for, right? So point A, point B, C, so on and so forth. So now let's drag this stuff into the future. Okay, so we have those entries right there. Then we also can see that we have a minor level right here. So you could possibly take a trade off that if you wanted to. Personally, I probably would have stayed away from it just because it's not a key area in the market. I guess it could be actually. You know, we do have price hitting this numerous times here and here and here. So I guess, you know, this would be pretty valid. I guess I just really didn't see that. So there's another trade opportunity. Then we have price hitting another key area in the market with a retest. So here's another trade opportunity. And now we're getting down to another key area. And we notice that what? Price gives us a what? Structure break. Price was trending down. Now it starts trending up. So where did price break structure at? Well, the last level made before this push was what? Right in this area, right? So price breaks structure. And then look, we get a retest of the structure break, the trend line, and a level retest. So here's another trade opportunity. And then here's a level retest right here in this area, another trade opportunity. So now that we understand that price is trending up, we can what? We can start doing this. More trends and repeat the same process over and over again. Let's take these key areas we had previously and just drag them into the future and see what happens. Well, we can see right here that we have what? Level retest. Then we can see that price does what? Gives us a what? Reversal pattern. This is a double top, right? Then we get our neckline retest, but price does break trend, right? Which means that price is also giving us a structure break retest right here. Now, you guys know me, when it comes to reversal patterns, I don't trade them past the point that they began. So for me, this double bottom started right here with this push, or excuse me, double top, right? This was the initial push that created the first point. So you can get in for a trade over here in this area, and you take it where? Basically to where the beginning was. So where price hit right here, or where price hit over here, right? And then we notice that what? Price starts trending up again. We could also draw this trend right here, but we don't really get any trades off this trend, right? But we do get what? A level retest from over here off of this key area. So here's another trade possibility. So really, this wasn't price. This wasn't the overall trend for price, right? Something like this is. So now we can correct that trend. Maybe you lost one trade because you tried to take it lower and price went up, right? And that happens. You're not going to win all of your trades. But just look at all the trade possibilities that were pretty much perfect setups in my opinion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then maybe you lost this one right here. Okay? Now obviously everything can change based on your stop loss. Maybe it's too tight, or you exited your trade too early, or a lot of things can go wrong to make you lose these trades, but you guys get what I'm saying. I keep trading very, very simple, and sometimes you're going to lose some trades just because things don't work out, and that's fine. So, you know, originally we saw it like this. Price came down, didn't really give us a trend, and then price started moving back up, so maybe we lost this trade, but for me, I would have already been out because I don't trade it past the point it began. And then price starts trending up, right? And even though we don't have a trend line drawn, we still understand how structure works, right? This means price is moving up, right? So price is moving, it's moving. We get a little pullback like this right here, which is this area, right? This is like the little pullback, and then price continues going up. So we have a little pullback and price continues going up. So we're still in an uptrend, even though we can't easily draw a trend line, right? Maybe we can draw a trend line from here to here, and you stay in for buys until this trend line breaks. It's really up to you, but this is just my style of trading, how I like to look for it. The risk management and the take profits are really up to you. Personally, I just stay in the trades until I see price break structure. So for instance, if I'm in these trades down here, I'm going to stay in these trades until I see price maybe hit this level right here. And that's really, really up to you guys. Maybe you just want to take it to the next most relevant level, which would be right here. So like if you enter this trade and then this is the next most relevant level for you, and then you could take it from there to there, or from here to here, or here, you know, it's really up to you guys. I'm just showing you how I enter my trades and what I do to get out of them. I just wait for the structure break to get out of my trade. But hopefully this helps you guys. You know, like I said, I keep it really simple. You just look for trend, key areas in the market, level retest, structure breaks, and reversal patterns. So this is just how I trade. It works for me. It might not work for you. Maybe it does work for you. Maybe this doesn't. Maybe this style of trading doesn't even make sense to you. But to me, this is very easy, and there's no really thought process behind it. You know what I mean? If I see a level retest, a structure break, or a reversal pattern, I'm entering a trade. If I don't, then I'm not entering any trades, right? That keeps it very simple for me. So hopefully this helps. If you find anything helpful in this video, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe so you get notified when I post new videos. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next one.